So this is really exciting, and you're going to hear some things that I think really sets the stage of how our community is moving forward to really take a leadership role in what advanced manufacturing plus can be in terms of driving pathways to talent development.
This is an exciting time for us to be named a leadership school with NC3 and Festo. As a national leader is something we've worked hard at, and our employers overwhelmingly said, this is something that we need. These skills that you are teaching meet the competencies that we need right now, but more importantly, as Dr. Godwin says, those that are around the corner. This is where we see that our business and our industry has to go, and we need to have a workforce that's prepared to help us get there.
We are at 334 Industry 4.0 credentials since September of 2018.
It's really coming together. And now being here after about a year, seeing what we accomplished, I'm blown away. I'm really blown away. You are the college in the United States who is the very first who has all 3 levels of the NC3 Festo certification in place. And this will never go away. Congratulations to that.
And I have to say, here at Packard Community College, and I'm in a lot of colleges, a lot of times, I'm very impressed with what you do. And I've only been here for an hour and a half, okay? Folks, they're going to put out a workforce for you that's going to be very, very successful because it's what you have in your factory, and that's what the student's going to be trained on. We are very, very proud to say that we partner with Patrick Henry Community College, and extremely excited to call you one of our leadership schools, and excited for what you're going to bring to the nation and how you're going to lead the nation in the future.